Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Cadillac XT5 garage door opener. We'll walk through the straightforward process of syncing your vehicle's home link system with your garage door. This convenient feature allows you to open and close your garage with a simple press of a button inside your car, eliminating the need for extra remotes. Let's get started by preparing your vehicle and remote for programming. Before we begin programming, it's important to clear any existing codes from your home link system. First, ensure your Cadillac XT5 is parked within close proximity to your garage. Next, find the 3 home link buttons, typically located on your rearview mirror or overhead console. Press and hold the 2 outside buttons simultaneously for about 20 to 30 seconds until the indicator light begins to flash rapidly. This action clears all previous programming, giving you a clean slate. Now, let's sync your garage door remote. Hold your handheld garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold the home link button you wish to program and the button on your garage door remote. Continue holding until the home link indicator light flashes rapidly or turns solid. If your opener has a rolling code, you'll then need to press the Learn button on your garage door motor. Then quickly return to your vehicle and press the programmed home link button 2 or 3 times. With the programming complete, it's time to test your new setup. Simply press the home link button you just programmed. Your garage door should now open or close, confirming a successful connection. If the door doesn't respond, first check that your handheld remote has a fresh battery. You might also need to repeat the programming steps, especially for rolling code systems. For any persistent issues, refer to your Cadillac XT5 owner's manual for additional troubleshooting tips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.